What up, 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 what up? It's currently 12:43 p.m. Right. Back to back videos. Why? Because I took a trade today. Um, I took a trade. I'm not currently in this trade anymore. I did take my profits. The reason I took my profits is number one, I was very satisfied with my profits. Number two, I got class real soon at 2 o'clock. I'm about to eat right now. I just got back from a little run. So I'm about to eat and get to class. So I decided to take my profit. But I'm about to go ahead and analyze that trade for you guys. Why I took that trade, when I hopped out. Um, yeah, shit. So it's gonna be a quick little video. Let me go ahead and share my screen. I got some salmon, some sweet potatoes, some noodles, some green peppers and shit. I know y'all niggas gotta eat too. But this right here is the trade I took. Right? Why I take this trade? Number one, US30 sold to shit this morning. I don't know why US30 sold to shit, but that motherfucker sold to shit. I woke up and US30 was somewhere here. I was like, okay, cool. Maintain structure, maintain this higher low. It said fuck that shit and just blew through this um higher low and this lower high and this higher low. It's like fuck, you know, this shit is not looking good. You feel me? So um yeah, bro, US30 sold to shit. So I'm like, okay, cool. US30 is the Dow Jones Industrial Average, meaning that it's always, well, it's always an uptrend, but it has been in an uptrend for a minute. Has been an uptrend for a minute. It's consolidating right now. So I was like, okay, chances are this is just a retracement on a higher time frame, and it's gonna buy back up. So what I did was I went down a very small time frame, the 5 minute. I saw price consolidating right here. I was like, okay. I see exhaustion wicks. I'm like, okay, exhaustion, the downside. Price doesn't want to sell anymore. It might be time for buyers to take control. And I was like, okay, cool, fuck it, let me do that. So I did just that. All right, I waited for price to break out. It did that. My first entry was somewhere here. All right, so I think my first entry was somewhere here, exactly where I had two entries in the trade. So my first entry was somewhere here, waited for it to break out. Um, Came back in. I was like, okay, cool. This does not want to break out, right? But then I saw this doji and I saw bullish engulfing. I was like, fuck it, I'm gonna take this buy right here. That was my first entry. My second entry, boom, breakout, retest, consolidation a little bit. I was like, fuck it, this is the time for another entry, right? They're close to each other, so they have kind of the same amount of stop loss area. I'm like, okay, if I lose, I lose. I'm okay with the risk. If I win, I'm trying to win big. I was like, cool. You feel me? I'm trying to win big, big. I'm talking big. And I'm like, all right, cool. I take the trade and I wait. Simple as that, bro. So go down to 15 minute and you see all this bow, 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 bow. As soon as I saw this, fuck, bro. As soon as I saw this, damn, bro. As soon as I saw, this candle break out and this doji was like, yeah, it's over with, bro. Price is gonna shoot, and it did just that. Right. So I took profits. Go to 5. I know exactly which candle I took profits to, and I took profits. Um, in this candle. I didn't wait for it to close, but I did take profits somewhere before this candle closed, and that's about 105 points, right? So nothing major. I took profits after 105 points. I do plan to re-enter again when I am in class. I'm gonna take my laptop with me, handle my business. So I'm waiting for a slight retracement on a higher time frame, which just looks like it wants to give us right now off of 30 because we have this exhaustion, or it could be a straight continuation all the way down here and keep selling off, right? But we don't know. But this is a very, very simple trade, not much to it. You have hella bearish pressure. You see wicks to the downside of 30 off of 15. I'm like, okay, this is US30. It's gonna want to buy back up just to create equilibrium. It did just that. I got in two orders, in deep profit, 105 points. Um, and shit, took my profit. I'm gonna wait for a retest, probably of this zone right here. Um, right, let me add an alert. If it hits my alert, I'm gonna enter again. I'm not gonna enter again exactly right there, but I'm gonna analyze if I see some exhaustion or downside and some sort of bullish variation. Shit, I'm gonna take the trade one more time and then hopefully take it all the way to the top side, which is either this blue line, which is about 200 points. Yeah, it's about 200 points, about 190, 197 to be exact, or all the way back up here if it blows through here. It's gonna take patience, but shit, this game is all about patience and discipline. So, shit, I'm about to go eat my meal, get ready for class, and I'm gonna see y'all niggas later, man. Adios. Quick little breakdown of this easy little trade, bro. Easy little trade. But I'm gonna see y'all niggas later, man. Y'all be smooth.